Kardashian wore desi outfits at Anant Ambani and Radhika Merchant's wedding. She is now sharing the photo dump on social media. But she has been trolled for a specific picture that she shared. To know more, stay tuned and watch this video till the end. Anant Ambani and Radhika Merchant's wedding witnessed the presence of some of the most popular faces from across the globe. A lot of Bollywood celebrities were present and so were the politicians. Many international celebrities too flew down to India to be a part of the function. Kim Kardashian and sister Khloe Kardashian were in India for all 3 days of the wedding. They soaked in the desi vibe as they wore gorgeous traditional Indian outfits for the function. Kim Kardashian is now sharing pictures from her trip to India on social media. However, she received flack for one of her pictures. Kim Kardashian shared a few pictures flaunting the diamonds and pearls that she wore at Anant Ambani and Radhika Merchant's wedding. She dressed in a gorgeous ivory and gold lehenga by Manish Malhotra. She wore a heavy diamond necklace, earrings and a mangtika. She also flaunted a long diamond-studded nose ring. In one of the pictures, though, she posted with a Ganesha idol. This did not go down well with many as she used a Ganesh idol as a prop. She has been receiving flack from netizens for the picture. However, she seems to have now deleted the picture from her Instagram wall. But the image has made its way to Reddit and fans don't seem to be quite impressed with it. One of the comments read, "Did she remove it from her post? I swiped through it and it isn't there anymore. But I'm not surprised that she did something like this. Lol. She removed it. Good for her. Lol, she doesn't care. Why would she? She's there due to a contract. She's got no desire to respect Indian culture or learn about it. And guess what? She doesn't even care about Indian audience. She got money attending the wedding and that's it." Someone also posted the picture on X and captioned it as, "Can anyone tell her that this is a god, Lord Ganesha, not her toy? Please don't insult and remove this pic immediately." Earlier, Kim Kardashian shared pictures posing with the Ambani family. In one of the pictures, she could be seen posing with Isha Ambani. Another picture had her posing with the newlywed couple Anant and Radhika. Going by the pictures, Kim Kardashian surely had a blast in India. But some people trolled her for her red outfit as well as saying that this is not an Indian outfit, commenting, "It's giving not Indian at all. It looked very cheap and not Indian at all. Only the bride wears red. Okay, this does not look Indian. This looks like a costume. You are so inappropriate. And oh my, you didn't check the what not to wear on a wedding. You are not supposed to wear red." She also posed with Aishwarya Rai Bachchan, Ranveer Singh and many more. She shared pictures stating that India has my heart. She also enjoyed an auto rickshaw ride. Well, what do you think about Kim's wedding look and pictures? And do you think she deserved to be trolled? Do let us know your views in the comment section below, and for more such latest updates, do follow our page.